So my name is Andy Hiles. I've been doing Agile for 13 years, I think it is. I realised. Got into Agile straight out of university, first job, and kind of fell into a way of working that was very close to the customer. We were a small development team, rapid feedback, small iterations, and we could actually get feedback from the customer and see real value very, very quickly. And from there, I kind of grew into more agile organisations. So learnt more, stopped doing development because I realised I wasn't that good, and preferred teams and people, and that's what I've been doing. And the benefits for me is purely around that communication thing. So it's building trust, it's building really good high performing teams, and it's also feeding back really good value to the customer and actually making it work for them rather than trusting in a very lengthy project plan, which we know, in some circumstances is not the right way of going about it. Oh, amazing! I love meeting new people. I love trying to learn cultures. I'm awful at languages, so I've learned not to try and introduce myself in any particular different language, but talking to people, different cultures. You go to different countries and they have different levels of software development practices, and so coming into emerging markets, which I've done in kind of the last year, it's really interesting to see they're very hungry for information about better ways of working because their minds are open, and that's amazing for me, and it's a real privilege. I say I'm kind of very privileged to be able to do this, and I take every experience from this and I kind of use it I'll probably take some things and use it in my next talk. But yeah, just what a great experience. Really enjoyed it. Oh, that's a hard one. So there's been you're asking me to pick favourites, and that's quite hard.
It's unfair too.
It is. It's an unfair question. But for me, there were two. There was a talk around. Oh no, there were actually three. so there was a couple of talks around product management and what a good product owner is. There was the user story mapping exercise by Jason Jones, which was so simple, so effective, and brilliant. I'm going to take that on definitely going forward. And then the final one from Pierre, the other Pierre, was all around different personality types. I mean, my talk was around teams, and I didn't have time to go into that level of detail, and then doing a quite fun exercise around very specific personalities and how destructive they can be. It was great. It was really good to see people come together, so it was good.
Awesome. Thank you. That's all.
Good.